Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Researchers are attempting to model the growth of the recurring hawksbill turtle population in East Africa. They estimate the population to be 200 in the first year. In the second year, they record the population of 600 turtles. How much greater would the estimated population be the third year if the turtle population growth were exponential rather than linear? So according to the question, we have to compare the population growth of hawksbill turtle in linear and exponential, and also we have to find how much the population growth is greater in exponential compared to linear. Okay, first let me write the population growth in linear. Let me write it. Okay, in the first year, it is given that the estimated population of the hawksbill turtle is 200 in the first year. Let me write it over here. In the second year, it is given that the population is 600. Okay, so now we have to find the population of the turtle in the third year. So if the population growth is linear. So in linear, when the population growth is linear, first we have to find the number by which the population has increased from the first year to second year. So clearly it has increased by 400. So by whatever number the population has increased from the first year to second year, by the same number, the population of the turtle will increase from the second year to third year if the population growth is linear. So to get the population for the third year, we have to add the same number 400 to the second year population to get the third year population. So let me add 400 to the second year population, that is 600. When I add 400 to the 600, I'm getting 1000. So if the population growth is linear, then the estimated population of the turtle in the third year is 1000. Okay, now let's find the population of turtle if the population growth is exponential. Let me write the stuff over here, exponential. Okay, so no change in the population of the turtle the first year, second year. We just have to use the given values as it is. So the first year we have the population 200, and for the second year we have 600. Since the population growth is exponential over here, we have to find the factor by which the population has increased from the first year to second year. So factor means by what number we have to multiply the first year population to get the second year population. So clearly it's 3. That is, we have to multiply by 3. We have to multiply the first year population by 3 to get the population for the second year. Okay, when the growth is exponential, to get the population for the third year, so by whatever factor the population has increased from the first year to second year, so by the same factor we have to increase the population of the second year to third year. So for that we have to multiply again by 3. That is, this second year population 600 has to be multiplied by 3. So when I do so, I am getting 1800. So this is the population for the third year if the population growth is exponential. Okay, now we have to compare the population in the third year in linear and exponential, and we just have to find how much the population in exponential growth is greater than the population growth in linear for the third year. So clearly 1800 is 800 greater than this 1000, the population of third year in linear. So this 1800, the third year population exponential is 800 greater than the third year population in linear. So we find this 800 in option A. The correct answer choice for this question is option A.